back to my channel. If you guys are new here, please do not forget to click that subscribe button down below and the post notification button next to the subscribe button. So welcome back guys to my channel. So in today's video I am going to show you guys actually no, today's video is gonna be a get ready with me to stay home actually, because nobody can go outside because we're in quarantine. Yeah, New Jersey is in quarantine, so I'm just going to play with my makeup today. I'm going to do my makeup right now to do the TikTok video, I guess. Everything is canceled, like everything. When I tell you guys like everything is canceled for the corona, it's like, bro, I really don't know where this virus come from. Yes, it comes from China, but it could have started anywhere. So all I can say guys is stay safe, okay? Stay inside if you know you're not feeling well. And yeah guys, it's not worth it to risk your life to go outside and shit. So guys, stay inside, okay? Stay inside and take your vitamin C or vitamin D or whatever. Just stay inside guys, you know. I mean, if you want some fresh air, actually you guys can go outside and walk, but to be safer, just stay inside, okay guys? So I'm just going to go ahead and put on the music. You guys don't really have to see me do my makeup, but yeah, so I'm just gonna fast forward it and put the music on so you guys can see what I'm going to do with what makeup I'm going to do today.
Waking up anew, wasting time is all I do. Nothing to do. I'm dropping you texts now. You said you want me when it starts. Being with you just feels right. Said we could meet it when it starts. Yeah, slow down. Sun is about to go down. So what you doing tonight? Everything I can't think of. Waking up anew, wasting time is all I do. But now when I'm with you, so much time, nothing to do. I'm dropping you texts now. You said you want me when it starts. Being with you just feels right. You want it honest, I'm giving you my hand. I'm dropping you texts now. You said you want me when it starts. Sun is about to go down. So what you doing tonight? It's everything I can't think of. Waking up anew, wasting time is all I do. But now when I'm with you, so much time, nothing to do. I'm dropping you texts now. About to go down. So what you doing tonight? It's everything I can't think of. Waking up anew, wasting time is all I do.
Okay guys, so after I'm done doing my makeup, and now I gotta find something to do because I'm only gonna stay home and I cannot be bored. Like my brothers have games that they can play, while me over here doesn't really have games that I can play because I'm not a game person. So now I'm going to find stuff to do, and I still haven't eaten yet, so I'm probably going to the kitchen to go make my breakfast. And yeah guys,
3 hours later.
Bitch, I don't give a fuck if you don't like me. Get your ass off my page. Like, I don't give a fuck. Period.
Often, baby, I can play that. I speak, I do this every day. I say often.